If you want to delete your Mailchimp account, I'll walk you through the exact steps in a simple and safe way. This is useful if you're done with the platform, want to close an old account, or just clean up your online tools. Before we start, make sure you really want to remove the account because this is a permanent action and you may lose access to your campaigns, contacts, and settings. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to Mailchimp in your browser and sign into the account you want to delete. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or profile name there. Click on that profile menu to open the account options. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This is where Mailchimp keeps your account settings, payment details, and plan controls. Once that page opens, look for the Settings section. Click on Settings to continue. Inside Settings, you'll see Plan and Account Management options. Now click on Manage My Plan. This takes you to the area where Mailchimp lets you review your subscription and account status before closing things down. On the next page, look for the option that says Delete My Account. Click that to begin the deletion process. Mailchimp will usually show a warning or confirmation screen because deleting your account is not something you can easily undo. When you're ready to proceed, click Continue to Delete. After that, Mailchimp will ask you to confirm your choice by typing the word delete exactly as shown. Make sure you enter it in all capital letters because that is required to confirm the action. Once you've typed delete, click permanently delete. This is the final step and it will close your Mailchimp account permanently. After that, your account should be removed according to Mailchimp's deletion process. If you are only trying to stop using Mailchimp for now, it's always a good idea to double check your billing, exports, and any connected automations before deleting. That way, you won't accidentally lose anything important. And that's how you remove a Mailchimp account step by step. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick software tutorials, account cleanup guides, and simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.